lot of noise out there. Yeah, I found myself back in Andy's garage because I don't really know why I'm here, to be honest with you. I need to be cleaning my garage. In fact, that's probably what I'll do this weekend is get it cleaned up, because a couple side jobs I'm gonna have to get through real quick while the motor's getting built. When it's ready and it comes back, then we can get focused on my car. Stab the motor, stab the trans, start piecing everything together, and get everything rock and rolling. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna help out Andy with whatever mess he's got right here going on. Then we'll get back to my house, get it all cleaned up, because man, I made a mess. I had a tough time taking the transmission out from underneath the car on jack stands, and yeah, I made a mess. He's got a couple boxes over here. I love opening up boxes. So we're gonna do him a solid today and open up some of these boxes he's got lying around. I already kind of opened one, but I don't know. What does he need a black dipstick for? He's got a dipstick already. But you know, well, he did have one anyways. I don't know where it's at. Somewhere in between all this mess. But I guess he decided that he needs a black one, so that's there, yeah. From, I don't even know where. He could have got this from Motion also, but do you even get the right one? That looks pretty small. Anyways, that's that. Got a box here from Motion Raceworks. So, he was so worried about having the proper tool to put the AN fittings together. So I guess he bought the clamp tool so you can put it in the vise to put the AN fittings properly. A couple brackets there, looks like a fuel regulator bracket. I don't know why he needed those, but just using the vise regularly works just fine. But this is Andy for you. He's so paranoid about the littlest things and doesn't worry about the big things. Yeah, so check out this spread he's got going on. My old Ron Shear unit, air to water intercooler that fits in between the any Holley high ram setup. He's got a new high ram top, the air to water tank, ice tank, fuel regulator, two blow off valves, two wastegates, and a plethora of fittings for hoses. This is all for fuel, it looks like. So this should be all fuel. Plus we got our new, oh, that's just a box of bolts. It's supposed to be somewhere here. Throttle body, oh, here it is. Got himself a new award throttle body, another filter. That's the old regulator, some more generic fittings and whatnot. So, oh, there's his dipstick. So yeah, tons and tons of goodies, all the extra little things that you're gonna need in order to swap this truck to twin turbo.
Look for your stupid ass wire harness that you don't ever label.
I have one of those.
Worthless.
I saw your mess down there.
What?
That.
Oh, yeah. About that shit. That's all that came in was a stupid ass dipstick?
Oh, and the motion box, your little crimper thing that you're so proud of. Why did you pick up the trailer?
The new addition to the racetrack.
Oh. So what?
You're about to fucking creep your pants.
Oh, what are you doing? By the way, guys, we got the trailer fixed. Did they do a good job fixing it?
Has it fell off?
They fixed it. The wheel's still on it.
Still good?
Still good. Oh my god. Does that mean I get your old one?
No. No. Fuck no.
Why?
Huh?
God. I'll push you. Where are you gonna put this thing?
Well, I was gonna move.
Somebody didn't think this out good. It's not gonna fit anywhere. This dude, I don't even know. This is what I came here for today? Anyways, let's go. What? That actually looks pretty cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's so cheap.
Did he make that?
Yeah.
That's actually not bad.
He like really, he was like super proud of us.
Just in case. Huh? You did some wiring on the fuel pump?
Looks good, huh?
Yeah, not too bad.
It's better than your shit.
Is that how you're gonna be today?
I'm bigger gonna be negative today.
Why?
Because you.
What happened at work today?
Because you were fucking crying for a stupid ass wheel all day.
Oh my god.
You made me fix it.
It only took you 6 days to fix it. But anyways, fuel pumps look good. How come this one's all black? That's just the way they make it.
I don't know. I was thinking, I thought it was a different one, and then I looked up the part number. It's like identical.
It's the same one, 750 Magna Fuel. One's gonna come on. This one, this older one, we should probably keep to come on regularly all the time.
Boost. I mean,
all the time. Boost. And the new one will come on under boost. Because you'd rather see something fail all the time instead of having a new one, an older one, where it matters the most. So that's it. I'm done.
Show him my freaking wiring.
You haven't done anything. You gotta finish it first.
Look at the pigtail.
Anyways, I'm done for today. I came and did my part. I don't know what he's doing. He's busy playing with his tools in his new toolbox. What are you even doing? What are you doing?
I'm looking for a freaking thing.
Well, that's it. I know I haven't really updated you guys on what's going on with the Bullet, and that's because I've been waiting on parts or whatnot. But I'm got the car in the trailer. We're gonna move the car so I can clean up this mess because I made a serious mess when I took the transmission out. Oh man, my floors are ruined. So I gotta get all of this cleaned up, and so I can get another car in here, get a little bit of side work done. More cash means more parts for the Bullet that I need. So we got to get this cleaned up and out of the way. And then from there, just run a couple errands. And so that's basically the game plan for today. Let's go get some work done. Oh, what's wrong with me? Fuck. I had a guy come into my lane and during the merge. And I should have just let that dude sideswipe me, but it moved me over, and we were crossing an intersection and I hit the pointy curb, and it annihilated that wheel. Luckily, we're not too far from Abe's Lunatic Performance, so that he could help me out. Oh, Abe. Hi.
With you in trailers.
This is only my second one. What are you talking about? So,
Yeah.
Oh God. Worst thing is my car's in there too. All right, let's get this wheel replaced. Okay, we got the spare on there because we're already using original spare for this side. Looks like I'm gonna have to invest in some new tires here and another wheel. Everything good with the car so far. Come on, old girl.
Oh my God! You finally brought it back. The boss will be happy that you brought it back on. Thank you.
I'm a man of my word. It may have taken a couple. It may have taken a couple of days.
You didn't even say it in your group chat. You just showed up. What's up, man?
Oh, the camera.
The camera. My leash.
I said I would bring it. I just didn't say when.
If you're talking about trash, you'll eventually bring it back, right?
What's up, man? How are you?
Pretty good. Are you good, man?
Yeah, I'm good. So I thought I'd come by and just drop off the camera, but I didn't know that, yeah, I didn't know there was a top secret build going on. What's up with this?
There's nothing to see here. There's nothing to see here.
You guys remember Solomon? He's helped us out a couple times. With the, oh, look at the hat. I like the hat.
Of course. Get one, cause no sweat marks. I like it because there's no sweat marks on these. So really happy.
What is going on here?
Just making stuff fit.
Yeah?
Yeah, Legos. I'm just gonna cut that piece. That'll work. Yeah.
Lord.
That
looks like I don't remember that big of a turbo on here before.
Nah, it's little, man. What are you talking about?
Yeah?
It's little.
Yeah?
The old stuff already.
Oh, my Lord.
I was talking to Hayden in the messages. He wanted to see how it fit. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there it goes. You can see it in person. Now he's gonna see it in a couple days now. But.
That fits really good.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with the exit?
Hey, that's a surprise.
Oh
yeah,
man.
That's a surprise. That you can't know. We haven't gone that far. You can't know that one. We'll be a little bit different though. Copying Daddy Flash.
Gonna go out the fender. Is that where the fender's off of it?
Here, hold on. Where's my ring at? Here's over here. So we got the dump tube, right? Go like
oh, okay.
I was right here.
I was gonna say I got a fender that has the grills cut up already.
Yeah, I remember you saying that. That look actually badass. I really want you to do that.
No, that's
like your fucking twins coming out of there.
It's not happening anymore.
What's happening with yours though?
It's a part. It's actually in the trailer.
Oh really? It's a part in the trailer?
Yeah.
It's a part in the trailer. Why isn't it a part of the house?
I'm cleaning up the house because I got a side job coming in. So.
Okay.
And,
what are you gonna work on? You gonna work on things?
Yeah. I work on shit.
What are you gonna work on?
Shit.
Are you gonna make it by Cletus and Cars?
No.
Cool. I'm calling you out for Cletus and Cars.
I will not be Cletus and Cars ready.
You better be there in something.
Hey, no. Oh, I'm gonna be there in something.
Oh, okay, never mind.
I got a Black Z06 I'm bringing.
Be there in the bullet.
I got a Black Z06 I'm bringing to Cletus and Cars.
You're bringing it?
Yeah.
You guys gonna run it?
I'm not probably gonna run it.
Well, I'm calling you out in that too.
I mean, we can run on the street if you want.
See, look.
You want to do the street?
Yesterday, right? Last night we were looking for people.
Yeah, I made a post last night. I was trying to find room before we tore this thing apart. Nobody replied for like
Oh man, you should have told me. I could have found you something.
He was already taking it apart.
Yeah. Don't worry, it'll be faster with this.
Oh yeah.
It'll be faster with this. Hopefully. Have you ever seen my car heavy?
No.
Oh,
I mean,
let me show you what a street car looks like.
I've seen it in the rearview mirror. That's about it.
Let's see. There's a radio in here.
Is there? I got a radio too.
Oh, look how I'm
I got a radio too. It's a little Bluetooth radio. It's bolted down though.
Do you have speakers in your hatch?
I do. Only in the hatch. They go to the Bluetooth. So I had to come by Hangman Performance, Solomon, Garrett over there. So I had to come by and drop off this camera that I borrowed probably like I think I borrowed it like last week.
Which one? Last week. Talk about like 3 months ago. Holy shit.
But
We did it like 3
had to
times
bring it
now.
back.
We're like, where's the camera?
Right.
Shit, monster.
We would have been able to see that LS.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
That'll fly.
I mean, I know SKETCHYVERT will be down for some Trans Am on Trans Am crime, but are you going to be ready for it?
Me, I'm always ready. Man.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Race anybody.
I'll talk to him.
I raced you.
I'll talk to.
I raced Kevin.
You didn't race me by choice. First of all.
We didn't race Kevin by choice
I said I raced.
We got lucky on Kevin. He blew the tires out, then he scrambled and almost caught it.
Yeah, you only got to be ready.
So you heard it here. We're gonna see if first he's got to get ready, and then test it, which I assume you're probably gonna test before then.
I always test.
I mean, what do we got? Like 2-3 weeks left, right? Hopefully, I can get him lined up next to SKETCHYVERT.
Let's put your trans in this part, and then you'll have a break.
Hey, my trans is just sitting around.
Your trans?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good for 1,000 horsepower.
So that was the crazy part. It's 1,000 horsepower. When you told me that shit, I was like, what the fuck?
Pro Torque converter, guaranteed to take you 1.2s.
What, the trans brake?
See?
Yeah.
Just put a couple hours. We'll swap trans. You got a break.
I'll donate a rented transmission just to watch you race.
For what?
But-
For cleaning cars?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ready. We'll just pull the trans and we'll plug it in.
Yeah, I'm down.
Just wire it on the button. So I can just.
You sure you can handle it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just understand what you're asking, because we're gonna have to go get it today. It's on the lift.
Yeah.
Try and breathe like night and day.
Give me like 2 days to actually answer you. I want to see how far I get with this.
Oh, so funny. So we'll see. We'll see if it happens, but I'm willing to pitch in to see this.
3 inch, right?
So we'll have to see.
Yeah, I have 3 inch couple. Yeah, okay, that's fine.
That's it for now. We got more work to do.
Yep.
Cue outro.